How to download your Facebook business page analytics from the Meta Business Suite. I'm Georgianne from GSD Solutions, and in this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that. First, you want to make sure that you are in your Facebook business page backend, and it will usually have you allowed to manage the page, and that is one key way to know that you're in the backend. What you want to go ahead and do is scroll down on the left-hand side till you see Meta Business Suite, and you can click on that. Another way to get to the business suite is simply by typing in business.facebook.com. Now we're going to be in the back end of the business suite, and you want to scroll down on the left-hand side where it says Insights. You're going to go ahead and click on Insights. On this page, it'll give you a snapshot/overview of what's been happening on your pages. But what we want to dive into is the content. So you're going to see content, and the second option where it says content again, you're going to go ahead and click that. Here at the top right corner of the page, you're going to see the option to export data. We're going to go ahead and click export data. Here you will see the option for Facebook as well as Instagram, but right now we're focused on Facebook. We're going to select the page that we want to collect the data from. And once you've done that, you're going to select the time frame. It could be last 7 days, 30 days, 90 days, or a custom time frame. Let's select the last 90 days. And it'll then give you the option for lifetime or daily. Do you want video, right? Regardless of where the video appears, if you're doing cross-posting, do you only want posts? Do you want to have the data for the page? And how do you want it to be formatted? So we're going to go ahead and select video, and we're going to select from there. It prompts us to select the metrics, whether that's performance, loyalty, audience, retention, earnings from that video. But for posts, instead, we're just going to select published. Now we can select generate, and it'll take about a minute or so to generate that report. So we're going to allow it to generate, but in the back end, once it's fully generated, it'll be in the form of a CSV file, which is like an Excel file. And then we can import it into something like a Google Sheets, or even upload that data to some type of AI to find patterns and trends. So I'm going to go ahead and download that report, and I'm going to go ahead and show you what it looks like if we were to upload that report into a Google Sheet for analyzing. Here we have a blank Google Sheet, and we're going to go ahead and import that download into the Google Sheet so we can analyze the data. I'm not 100% sure what this data is going to look like because I don't post too often on my Facebook business page, but let's see what it looks like. We can do either replace spreadsheet or insert a new sheet and then select import data. All right, so over the last 90 days, this is what I've posted. I like to lock the top row. It allows me to see it a little bit better, but you not only get the link for the post, you get the date and time, the caption if there was one. It tells you what type of post, whether it was a photo, video, or text. It'll also give you the views, reach, comments, interactions, how many seconds were viewed overall, ad impressions if you had any. This is super useful for you to better analyze the results of the content that you're posting on your Facebook business pages, to know what content you should post more of, what content you should post less of, what's actually converting, and how it's all working out. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have additional questions and need operations or technology support, go ahead and schedule a consultation with our team at gsdsolutionsinc.com. If this video was helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and then leave any comments. If you have a question about how something else works, we're happy to make a video for you in the future. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.